auto alarm specialist.
Okay, this is the Lexus GS350. Basically, we hooked up the shock sensor to the factory alarm because what's going on with these vehicles, they busting out the nut locks and they're leaving the car in full bricks. Okay, so by adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm, that will fix that issue. So if anybody tries to leave the car in full blocks and try to steal your rims and tires, the factory alarm will fire off. I'm going to go ahead and illustrate that. And that will disable the alarm. This is all incorporated with the factory alarm system. There's no need to install another alarm and carry another remote control. This is all tied into the factory alarm system. This is the shock sensor add-on to protect the rims and tires. If anybody busts out that keyhole, they bust out a window, the alarm will trigger. This factory shock sensor add-on was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists. The numbers are 305-298-4814, and we do have free mobile service. Thank you for watching this video.